Space-time is usually represented graphically, something like this, where the gravity or mass of an object warps, bends the usually flat surface of space-time. Well, imagine that consciousness is represented similarly, where there's a flat surface and anything, any object within consciousness is a bend in that surface and part of that originally flat surface. In order to picture this, it might be easier to flip the image from this to this, where the bends in the fabric of consciousness are peaks rather than troughs. Only now imagine that all of this gets obscured from our view. What remains visible is something like this, with just the peaks, the tops of those bends in the warp remaining visible. So what we see are a whole lot of separate objects, separate, in this case, islands, but really they're all just part of the one thing. In this case, they're all part of the one Earth. We don't get to see that they're all just separate peaks in the one consciousness. When we think we're seeing something like this, separate objects, what's really there is just this, displacements in the fabric of consciousness. Now at the quantum level, there's a point at which objects become totally indistinguishable from the plane of consciousness, and that's Planck's constant, hence the term Planck of Consciousness.